Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to recover all your contact that have been deleted or by mistakenly you have deleted your contact. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to recover it. By mistakenly, I wipe out all my contact from my device that have been stored in my Gmail. So actually now I don't have any contact in my device, but in this video I'm going to show you how to recover back your phone numbers that you miss or by mistakenly you deleted them from your mobile phone. So firstly, click on contact. Once you click on contact, click on your email as you can see at the top. Once you click here, then click on Google. Once you click on Google, just wait for it for some seconds to load. So as you can see here, we are on the Google. Click on data privacy. Once you click on data and privacy, then scroll down, keep scrolling down, then you'll see contacts saved from Google. Click on it. Once you click on contacts saved from Google, just wait for it for some seconds to load for you. Once it loads for you like this, then scroll down and click on contact. Let's wait for some seconds to load for us. So once it shows us like this, as you can see here, then click on this icon, hamburger button at the top. Once you click on it, then click on trash. Once you click on trash, then wait for some seconds to load for you. As you can see here, we have almost 1050 contacts that have been deleted. So click on any one of them. So once you click on it like this, then click on this icon, save icon. Once you click on the save icon, then click here. Then select all. Let's give it a seconds to mark. Okay, now click on recover. Once you click on recover, you can see you can only restore the 1000 contact, then you can come back and restore the remaining 50, then click on recover. Once it recover, as you can see here, we have only 500 contact remain, then click on recover again. You can see here our contact has been all recovered to our phone. Okay, let me go back to my contacts. As you can see, before we don't have any contact. Let me move back, let me leave the page. As you can see, all the contacts have been back. As you can see, before we don't have any contact because they are all deleted, but right now I have recovered back all the contacts that have been deleted and it has been restored to my device. If not, if it takes 30 days without restoring them, it will be wiped out permanently. So guys, if you lost your contact, this is how to bring them back. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you in my next video.